All right. Sorry, guys. One sec. Bro, I am stream maxing like you wouldn't believe. I am stream maxing like you wouldn't believe. You literally, I'm stream maxing on like 3 different softwares, 3 different platforms. But that's how it's got to be done. Right? We ain't no quitters. What up, what up? So I'm just pulling up a couple things here. Just pulling up a couple things. All right, gang. What is up? Monday. Wow, Daniel, chill with the lives. I got notifications from everywhere. Yeah, bro, I am stream maxing to the nth degree. What up? Oh, Kitch, you're over there on the Instagram live. Dope. Yeah. So I'm stream maxing on like 97 different platforms over here. So am I stressing? Yes. Am I trying to fit it all onto 2 screens? Yes. But anyway, we persevere. We persevere through the thick and the thin. Sorry, bear with me for a hot second. There's so much shit on the screen. Hey bro, you looking for cells? I am looking for something. I'll tell you in 1 second. You stream on several platforms, but need bots everywhere. Wait, what do you mean need bots everywhere? What do you mean by that? Just seeing you're on Insta. All right, you guys, so check this out. Check this out. All right, I can't see what's going on. I'm just going to assume everything's going good until something explodes. Like my computer's firing on all cylinders. So who gives a shit? We're here doing the goddamn thing, and what are you going to do, right? What up, YouTube gang? So check this out, you guys. I'm going to leave my levels for here for the... I'm going to put my levels here for the time being. I'm going to delete this one. This is the only level of support, the only level of interest so far. If this candle closes red, then I'll put the resistance level here. But for now, the resistance level's here based on these 2 candles over here to the left. Right, so we're in this range right here. And it's the same plan as every time for myself personally. I want to wait till price gravitates to one of these key areas, and then I'll look at striking. I'm gonna strike like a little cat. Meow. Gold is slow. What do you mean gold's slow? It moved frickin' 200 pips this morning. Chief, what up, Chiefy? Back on the fucking tools, mate. Did your breakout strategy on this one? Wait, did you use your breakout strategy? Brother, I just jumped on. I only trade London Open. Yo, Daniel, hey, Monday today the best way. By the way, yep, it's Monday. Happy to be here with you guys. Remember on Monday, Zesty. Remember on Monday, and I don't know about you guys, but Mondays used to get me in a lot of trouble psychologically because I was so hyped to get into the market on a Monday after the weekend that I would jump into subpar trades because I just wanted to get in. I was just too keen to get at it, right? So let's be, I don't know if anyone else has ever had that issue. So let's be aware of that, I reckon. I reckon it's going to be smart to be aware of that today. Imagine if someone opened or sell. What meme should I buy? Hey, bro, maybe you should Google. When you go to somebody's live stream and you say to some random person, "Hey, what meme coin should I?" What you're actually saying is, "Hey, I have you know what, the thing that you earn, and I just want to throw it. It's like I just want to throw it in the bin, essentially. Can you suggest which bin I throw it in?" Like, let's be honest. Love you so much. I love you more, Ryan. I think I love you more. I think that's the issue there. What up, Chris? You on futures? Yeah, on futures. I got on a top step. I took a little sell on Bitcoin today, but other than that, just chilling. Like, it was just super obvious what that Bitcoin was going to melt earlier. All right, I caught a sell about there, right in that candle there. I didn't catch the whole move. I moved stops to break even and then took it down there somewhere. Low risk. No way. I want to know if analyzed right. Bruh, it's snowing shit ton in Canada. Oh, I'm jealous. Love snow. From Uganda. But please, I'm a beginner. Please, tips. Please, please. Brother, give me specifics. I'll help you out as much as I can, but you need to give me specifics. When people say in the chat, "Hey, bro, can you teach me how to do this?" And I'm like, really, bro? Am I going to just be able to spit bars that are just going to teach you everything within one sentence? It's like saying, "Hey, can you teach me how to be a surgeon?" All right. So, you know what I mean? Like, what up, Kelvin? Bro, can I finally trade? Bro, I can finally trade. Thank you, God. Chat, why does he always trade London Session? Because London Session aligns perfectly with his lifestyle, and it also is a great session to trade. There's a lot of volatility, and why not? You dig? Type beat. Am I still live on Instagram? I'm just going to assume that I am. You were so right, bro. Teach us how to find a reversal. Why do you want to find a reversal? That's the question you got to ask yourself. Why are you looking for reversals? Why don't you just go with what the market's showing you now instead of trying to predict what it might do next? I know I'm coming in hot and I'm just fucking roasting left, right, and center, but sometimes you need harsh truths, right? I could tell you what you want to hear, but then it's going to hurt you in the long run. What up, Joel? Trading strat go on Bitcoin? The trading strat is just, the trading strategy technically works on anything. It's essentially just reading what candles. It's essentially just reading the formations of candlesticks and then analyzing based on that. So with that alone, you're not restricted to just one pair, bro. It's so hard. Stream maxing on 3 different platforms, gang. Is my anxiety through the roof? Yes. But am I pretending that it's not? Yes. Don't look for anything. Okay. I got someone that sends me... Ooh. Yeah. I don't know about that. Yeah, my computer's going to explode based on this. Is this pre-recorded? Bro! How? How do people say that and are serious? You know what I mean? Like, nah, I can't. When people say that, I don't know if they're trolling or if that's real. Like, Do you genuinely be like, huh, is this pre-recorded? This guy that's looking at the charts that is happening in real time, talking about current events that people are dropping in the chat right now with fucking... Zeke. Oh, bro. Bro. How? If you want to trade and a new opportunity is coming in 5 minutes later, you're going to... Yes. 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 Do you suggest any books to read? Depends what your issues are. Best Loser Win is a great trading book. But people always think there's like a specific trading book that's going to help your psychology. If I think there's a book that's going to help your psychology, it's books on psychology. Your psychological problems are just your day-to-day psychological problems that just translate over into trading. There's no such thing as, oh, I have trading psychology problems. No, you have personal psychology problems. Boss, show us your entry. I didn't get the best. I've actually got it right here. Best Loser Wins, Tom Hogarth. Great book. I can literally open up any page and it's fire. Look, here's a random page. What's this? Pressing winners. Adding to winners is a habitual for me. I have a new experienced traders that follow on YouTube, Telegram, and claim they know how to do it, blah, blah, blah. Every page, it's fire. Every single fucking page. And the first 2 pages, like, they really catch you. He uses like this analogy of the charts being like, you know, a romantic partner and the relation, like a almost toxic relationship between a romantic partner. It's fucking brilliant. What up, Salad Fingers? What's the book called? If you just missed that, bro, I can't help you. I kept speaking about it. I showed it. I can't help you. I literally can't help you. If you want to rewind, I'm live on YouTube right now. So you could rewind there. Just joined, my bad, bro. Oh, that's funny. I was listening only. Well, I can't help you there either. I did mention it. I did say the word. I spat those bars verbally. I'm just firing on all cylinders. Chat, what have we done to you, mate? It used to be so calm and relaxed. I know. I'm only taking the piss. You know what, actually? You know what, Grav? Where do I start? I don't even know where to start. No, I'm not saying the book. I'm especially not saying the book now because I'll say the book. The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hogarth. All right? How's that for you? Let's slow things down a little bit. What up, Dilawar, brother? How are you, my man? How's he trading been this year, Dilawar, 2025? Danny, what do you think of order flow? It's not for me. Not for me. Awesome, bro. Predictions in the market tomorrow. If you know this stream, you know we don't predict. We react. Good shit, man. Good, Dylan. Good. How do you reply to all messages on all platforms of your streams? Because my screen, if you could see on my end what I'm looking at, there's chat, city, there's shit going on everywhere. So I'm like scanning it while scanning the market. I don't need to pay attention to the market a whole bunch because I know what my key areas are. Right, so big brain things. Thanks for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. Thank you. Caved. Yeah, I caved. Someone made me feel bad about being too hectic. So I caved. Possible shorts now. From what I can see, the market's moving up aggressively. So why would you want to go against that? Right? That's the only thing you got to question, I think. Why would you want to go against what the market's showing you? How long does it take for you to... So at some point soon, I'm going to be ending this on TikTok and I'll just keep going on YouTube because I'm live on YouTube as well, but we'll keep going for a little while longer. If you want to jump onto the YouTube, it's Daniel Holmes Trades. Same name as my TikTok name. Why do you have many TikTok accounts? Bro, think about it. Luna, think about it. Would I do that? Right? Would I do that? Tips for my lives to not get suspended. Brother, I do it as well. I do as well. It's a nightmare. I don't say the M word. There's a lot of words that I avoid. Your trading career, have you stopped trading gold? Huh? Oh, not really. I used to trade all sorts of pairs, but I just stuck to gold the further I got into it. Really testing that FVG. All right, so this first 15-minute candle, the London Open closes in a minute over here. Looks different on Forex, but I'm going to be paying more attention to the top step chart. Are you using an orb strategy? I don't know what that means. Yep, that's right, Luna. Can I DM you anywhere? I got a Discord in the bio. Discord in the bio. I have a feeling my comments have been ignored. I said good to see you, Dan. Oh, Spartan, good to see you too. In gold, in what you see, and it's different. All right, so we're pushing up over here, pushing past this point. This is good because to the left-hand side is really clean range. This is good because the left-hand side's clean range. What up, Juvius? What's a 30 look like? A lot of green over here, a lot of green. Forex is pushing up to this next level up here. Forex is pushing up to this level. I'm still bullish like in life on gold, but we'll see. So that's the first 15 closure there. Forex closed pretty hard, heavy as well. It's kind of still in the middle of this range. I'm gonna need to see how this just starts to print. I'm gonna need to see how this starts to develop. Gonna need to see how this candle that just opened up now. This is still the 30 within the first 30 of the London Open. Give us some tips, bro. It's too broad, bro. You need to give me some specifics on what you might need some tips on. So people like, just to give you an idea, like just say gold's going up and my bias is bullish. It's all good to be like, okay, I really want to be a part of that bullish movement. But then you've got to identify, okay, that's all well and good, but where am I going to get in? And where am I going to be able to safely place my stop loss? Right now, because it's all green, there's nowhere for me to put my stop loss, right? So I need to wait for some red to be formed. Yeah, if I could put it down here, but I don't have a stop loss 10 years away. I'm a scalper, so I'm just going to wait a little second over here and see what's up. Just one of my strategies I'd have to go into depth. What up, Vinny? Vindog. Thanks for the follows there on Tiki. Is the market going up even? Is the market going to even go down as Trump's putting the tariffs? No one knows. That's the beautiful thing about trading. No one knows what's going to happen next. And if you try to play the game of, oh, I'm going to try to figure it out, you're just going to get burnt. So that's the best thing about me. I get to just mark out my key areas and I don't care what's happening in the world. I just looking at my key areas. Once price gets to there, I'll react then. What up, Carolina? Amazing, amazing. Hope you had a good one. No, I just focus on gold. How's my favorite Daniel? Oh, you got multiple Daniels. Where will it go before reversal? Who said it's going to reverse? That's right, Tradeaholics. Yep. That's me done for the day. Awesome, Nate. 2 buys. Good shit, man. Call it a day, brother. Excellent. That's what you want. You need to watch the correction on an FVG, bro. I don't even know what an FVG is. What chart do you have right now? Gold futures. Wow, some of these guys in the YouTube chart have crushed it over here. Some of these guys in the YouTube chart have crushed it. No, just gold. The only thing I deal with is gold. One pair, one session, one time, one strategy. When I stripped everything back and kept it hella simple, one strategy, one time frame, not one time frame, but one strategy, one time, as in London Open, one pair, which is gold, and one strategy, everything got better. Everything got better. My P&L that used to look like this became this. Right? Because I stripped all the noise back. Are you on TikTok as well? I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Yes. Live and all. YouTube is the best though. YouTube is a full screen. No, you can't say a sentence like, the market will do this because of this. You don't know what the market will do. All you can do is react to what it's doing. I don't know, Ellie. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Alright, so Forex, we're approaching this level here. Just gonna have to be patient, you guys. There's no rush. I come into the market every day, not with the intent to execute anything, just with the intent to wait for my ideal setup. If it shows, it shows. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm in no rush. So many of you guys are dying. You just keep spamming. Are you in? Are you in? Are you in? Buy, sell, buy, sell. It's like, hey, bro, that's not the plan here. The plan is just to show up, wait for your setup, and until then, chill out type beat. Everything has a reaction, especially. Yeah, I agree. But in terms of trying to predict those reactions, it's like you're playing a losing battle. You're fighting a losing battle, I think. What up, Origin? Yeah, I'm looking at future charts, Dub J, but I will look at Forex a little bit, but I'm gonna try to not look at Forex at all, like too much at all. What about yourself? What are you doing? Have you thought about that a bit more? I think we were talking about that last week. Do you have a channel for free signals? No, I don't do signals. I have a Discord where we chat and talk about life, but bias is dangerous. Exactly. Traderholics, you say a lot of the right shit. I can tell you've been around for a while, mate. Everyone's saying bias right. Exactly. What broker do you use? My broker is I don't even know. I'm using Top Step. Do you also do a bit of live also, Dan, or mainly? Oh, I'm mainly funded, but I will be switching. Like, I'm starting to switch more. Yeah, I'll be running them both a bit more soon. I'm 17. Can I do any day? John, that's awesome that you're starting young, but I would say just learn. Don't worry about anything about actually trading. I'd say just learning is the first step. Just learn. Look how you can learn about this. It's all about learning this in the early stages, not actually practical. People have it backwards. They're like, okay, I'm ready to trade, and how do I do the practical? It's like, no, do the theory first. Oh, thank you for all the gifts over there, Roaring Kitty. Wow. Appreciate you. Choo train. Wow, you go. Yeah, nice. Thank you. I wonder if everything's running smooth over here, if I haven't crashed. My multi-streaming stream maxing shit over here. So yeah, I think my levels here make sense. Let me put my next there's no support. This is a support here. This isn't support here. Support needs to be created in the current range that we're in now. And the only one is right here. So just gonna have to wait. Looks like Forex is breaking through that key level there. And we'll just have to wait. Hi, bro. We'll go. No one knows. I'm using a Top Step futures account. Top Step futures account. I'm about to sell here, bro. You too. Bro, are you trying to get roasted? Are you trying to trigger a roast off? Are you trying to roast yourself? Just waiting, my dudes. Waiting. That's all you can do. Waiting, claiming. What's with this bull run? Just gold? Gold does whatever it wants. You know, everyone always asks, why is this doing that? What is this doing this for? What is that? I'm like, I am so glad I don't have to really think about that. Because at the end of the day, does it really matter? No. Like, who cares why it does it? It's doing it. That's all that matters. Unless you're like a long-term, and this is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only and entertainment. But unless you're a long-term investment person, like, why does it matter? Yeah, I was on maths. Yes, sorry. How to have good psychology? Well, you got to figure out why you have psychological issues outside of the charts. People think like, how do I fix my trading psychology? It's like, fix your normal psychology. Like every issue that you have outside of the charts is just showing you on the charts, and you're like, it must be my trading psychology. No, it's your personal psychology. Exactly, Cody. Yeah, same, Manus. Open the windows, bro. No, it's still daytime, I think. It's still a bit too bright, I mean. Not full-time, Reese. So we're still just here. This is going to be the first 30-minute closure. In a couple of minutes here. 15. Everything's very bullish still. 1 hour still open, obviously. And it's all good. No rush, you guys. No FOMO, no rush. We're just chilling, my dudes. Armando, what up, brother? Trading psychology is a marketing term. It's not a thing. Well, yeah, and it's kind of a confusing thing to say, I guess, because there's trading psychology in the sense that you just have psychological issues as an individual that you need to figure out. And then there's trading psychology issues, which is, it's not even an issue. It's just like, you know, you have to experience different things in the market and be exposed to different situations to harden your mind to those types of situations. And like new traders kind of crack under this pressure of certain situations that they find themselves in with trading. And it's like, yeah, that's technically psychology, but it's not something you can fast track. You just need to be exposed to that type of shit for long enough in order to get better at it. And I always say it's like the reason why like 18-year-old traders are like, dude, I'm a full-time quadrillionaire from trading. It's like, bro, it actually, like by the laws of physics, takes longer than that. Like you have to be exposed for a longer period of time. Yes, you might have got profits, but it doesn't mean you are profitable. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok. This is not financial advice and for educational purposes only. But happy to be here with you guys on a Monday. We're just exercising patience. The goal is to show up, right? I know the game plan, what I'm looking for and what I got to do. And until that happens, just hang out and wait for that opportunity, my brothers. Wait for that opportunity. Yeah, Forex is pushing up. Yep, past that level. The next level after that is up here. Looks like there's like some sort of level to the left-hand side as well. That like a lot of shit through here. But yeah, let's just wait and see. No rush. No rush. Can you give me an example of what you look for? I'm gonna have to wait a little bit just to see how these kind of form. How to trade today? Yeah, I did a little Forex trade, but I mean Bitcoin, but nothing like special. Nothing special. And if any of you guys got any analysis, drop it in the Discord over here. We'll pull it up. See what you guys are looking at. Drop it in the Dissy. Drop it in the Discord. What's your method right now? Just waiting for price to move to some key areas. Waiting for price to move to key areas and then reacting to that. I heard you were picking up girls using your strategy on TikTok yesterday. Yeah, we were took some dubs. Profitable day. It was a profitable day on the TikTok live stream. Battling random people. Because that's the thing, I'm a human as well. I'm not just a trader, so like, you know, I like to have a bit of fun and just do whatever. It's actually more interesting here on YouTube when you were on live and TikTok. Oh, you came over from TikTok. Look at this on the YouTube chat here, you guys on TikTok. Much better over here. I can't pronounce your name, but definitely I agree. Rush is the key if you want to... Yeah, this is futures. Okay, so that's the first 30 of the London Open session close. Very strong closure here. Very strong candle closure here. 1 hour still open. 15. So the next level up, I'm gonna have to move this now. This is the next resistance level on futures, which is what I'll be participating in. And this next 15 is going to tell us a lot. This next 15 is going to tell us a lot. How important is it to you that when you get into, you stick to your plan? It's everything, man. It's really everything. And it's the hardest thing to do because the charts are just constantly trying to lure you into bad decisions. And most of the time it wins. I essentially got to a point where I was just I knew I wasn't going to give up, but I was so beaten down by being lured into bad decisions and breaking my trading plan that I was just exhausted. I was like, bro, I've just got to actually stick to my plan. There's literally no other option, right? And by doing that, like obviously the P&L goes way more consistent. Everything just gets way better. And I think most traders, like all you guys here right now, you know what it takes. Like you know what you need to do, and you probably know what keeps holding you back. It's just actually sticking to it and doing it. It's the hard part. So got the book Best Loser Wins. Oh, nice, Pharaoh, sick. Awesome. Only trading content 3 years, Ko. What's the price like at your apartment? 1 bedroom apartment, $570 a week. It's pretty steep, bro, for a 1 bedder. Have you heard of Funded Trading Plus prop firm? Good or bad? I'm not sure. Probably some of the people in the chat would know. I'm going to open up this. It looks really bright, but it's not. It'll get dark in a minute. Oh, you got the book on Amazon. Sick. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia. There is something with your way to be. I never liked watching live streams before, but here and still waiting for a live stream on Monday morning. Appreciate that. Milka, I really appreciate that. Yeah, I enjoy doing this as well. I enjoy trading. I've grown to enjoy live streaming as well. I didn't, you know, the only reason I started live streaming was to keep myself accountable to my rules. And then just people started rocking up and I started to enjoy it more as well. And I'm here with other traders. So it's just like all the good things. Oh, what up, John? What's up, my man? Fuck, it's a bit bright still, hey? Have to either wait for a pullback. Yeah, and for me personally, it doesn't even need to necessarily be a pullback. I need to see a red candle printed, you guys. Oh, Carlos, sick. When you like what you do it best. Yeah, that's exactly it. And I've done that in life. I've done things that I necessarily didn't really like, and I'm sure everyone has. And it like kind of reflects like that will ooze out of you. You would be good at radio, Dan. Radio 106.9. Trade and blown account FM. Love it. Oh, Kitch, you're trying to catch the stream, but you're at work. Wow, over here on the Instagram one. What do you guys got over here in the Discord? Doey. Oh, caught a nice little buy here on the way up. Okay, nice. Girl trader as well. Not that it matters, but hey, looks like girls are getting more profits than us over here, so amazing. Beautiful. It's What period do you look at to find your resistance? 15. I don't go any lower than the 15. But that's a good question. It is on the 15. I'll work my way down, and I'll keep moving my resistance and support levels until I get to the 15 minute, and that's where I put it. Finally, that's the final place where I'll place it. What strategy do you use? Price action. Caleb, so your place is that much? Okay. Yeah, I guess it's not too bad. Yeah, I'm living right in the city as well, so it's a prime location. Like, yeah, it's expensive. The closer you get to the city, the more it gets. How long have you been trading? Kind of 3 years. What's Forex doing? Moving up. It's at a pretty interesting level of rejection. We'll see. What's your setup, mate? I'm just waiting for this current candle to print over here. This is not financial advice and for educational purposes only. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok as well. Appreciate you guys. Alhamdulillah. Don't need to, Reese. Reese? RHYS? Is that Reese? I don't need to. That's the only issue there. Hey man, seen you live on TikTok. Did you fix work at all? Did the fix work at all? What, did the fix work at all? Oh, no, I don't know what you mean. So just patient. Patience is the name of the game. No rush. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but I'm in no rush. I just patiently wait for my ideal setup. Since London Open, it's just printed green, so there's not much you can do when that happens. Just gonna have to patiently wait for a little bit more over here. What up, the best ever? This is biblical patience. Billy, this is what we do I do every single day. I just come on, I mark out my areas, and I say, I just have to wait. But even like something could happen before it gets to that level that could still interest me. But right now, there's nothing I can do about it when it's just green. What up, S? Did you switch prop firms? Yeah, I went into a story time about Apex. Completely done with Apex. Never again. How long do you usually hold trade? Not long at all. But sometimes you kind of get stuck in it unnecessarily, unlike against your will. Why no Apex? I can't be bothered getting into it, but they pretty much scammed me. They actually scammed me. Like, I'll be honest, Anyway, I don't want to get into it. I'm getting serious. I'm sitting like a little boy with my legs crossed on the chair, so... Ooh. Are you very thankful for getting into trading? Yes. Yes, definitely. Very. I have some footage. I was actually looking at it on my phone today from when I first got in. I was just kind of filming myself like a bit of a document. I was like, yeah, just started trading. Wow, this is really hard. Fucking just blew an account, whatever. And I was like, hopefully in the video I said, oh, hopefully I can look back on this. And I kept going. And I was like, wow, look at this, 2.5 years later, I actually did keep going. And it was one of the first times in trading where I was like, oh, I actually feel proud of myself for continuing to go through all the pain and the happiness and the ups and downs. I'm like, wow, yeah, it made me realize, okay, this is hard. This is a hard game. I can see why people, yeah, they don't make it through. That's right, Haley. You trade RCT? No. Oh, useless. Dope. Aussie. I love it when some Aussie traders come on as well. You should jump in the Discord. I'm trying to get as many Aussies together in the Discord because I want to do a meetup at some point. Someone named Daniel Holmes Trades shared my live. Oh, god damn it, man. He's trying to pretend that it's me, but it's not. Oh, I guess what are you going to do? Why would the prop firm choose? Yes, it was a technical error that I had footage of and they even acknowledged, but they said, see you later. They didn't want to do anything about it. They basically just said, are you Aussie? Come on, bro! Am I Aussie? No, I'm bloody British, mate. Can't you fucking tell in it? What was I saying? Yeah, they acknowledged the error and just said bad luck pretty much. So... what's the first thing you do when you sit in the chart? I literally sit in the chart, start the stream, mark up my key areas, and then wait. Wait till I see exactly what I need to see. I thought you were Irish. Hey, me matey. Kuna magdega. How's the top step account looking? I've only taken 2 trades on it. I'm up 0.6%. The goal is 3%, I think. Oh. Here from Hungary. When does London open? 6 p.m. Brisbane time. I don't know what it is for you. If you go on a website called babypips.com, they have a timer thing here. So I can see here, the blue represents London Open. For me, that's 6 p.m. Oh, 2 minutes over here for this candle to closure. We're getting a bit of support, finally. Yep, join the live is useless for sure. For sure. Definitely. Definitely. So on Forex, it's showing that it's green still, but on futures, it's red. I'm trading futures, so I'll just have to pay attention to what the futures market is saying. This is not live. Bro! You know, it's like, wow. I mentioned that somebody said this is not live, and somebody said, yep, I called it. Give me strength, Lord. All right, nice. Forex is pushing, creating some support as well. Beautiful. Now we've actually got something to potentially work with over here. But there's a minute left. A lot can happen in a minute. The site is called babypips.com to see when the session opens are babypips.com. And at the top, there's a tools section. And on the tools section, it has market hours. You trade the challenge the same way as when you passed it. Yep, I'm going a little bit more aggressive with this challenge, but yeah. This is not financial advice and for educational purposes only. Is that a green screen and pre-record? Right. No! No, Aaron. Aaron's hitting me with all the triggers. Oh, shit the bed, man. I thought it was a lot darker than what it was going to be. Okay, whatever. You guys see that dude, Aaron Trades, in the YouTube chat? Every time he goes live, just spam the chat with buy or sell. As much as humanly possible. Fill up the whole chat just saying those two words. All right, at least we got some red. We got some red printed here. At least we've got fucking something over here to work with. What other platforms you go live on? I'm live on YouTube. Full screen type beat. Forex is green, but we're not trading Forex. The 1 hour is still open. 30 minutes, whatever. Yeah, I know, Aaron. Yeah, you were pre-London, right? So what are you gonna do? Type shit, hey. And that's why I'm just hanging out waiting for fuck, I wish I could talk to you more. Aaron, if you're still there, do you pay attention to Forex much if you're trading on Top Step? Because I think I'm just gonna have to stick to just the Top Step futures account because it's a bit too confusing, I think. I think it's a bit too confusing. I know it's a rookie thing to ask, but I just switched to Top Step. I didn't seem to find as much difference when I was trading with Apex. The Top Step information seems a little bit different. Nice green screen. Hey! You motherfucker, you guys actually think it's a green screen, bro. Alright, here, I'll prove it's not a green screen. You can see the reflection of this, right? What green screen gives you the ability to see reflection? 0. So I'm him. I'll audio you. Oh, bro, I appreciate that. Definitely. I'm going to listen to it right now because if I take a trade, I'm basing it on the audio you're sending me. And if I lose, it's all your fault. But yeah, appreciate that, brother. Thank you. Hey, I'm on a full-time internship, but I only have about 1.5 a day advice. Bro, that didn't make sense. I would love to help you, but pretty advanced green screen. Exactly. Brisbane City, nice. Thank you. See, you know. Kangaroo Point, yep. All that shit. I traded on gold last week now. Nah, no buys just yet. Just waiting a little bit over here. How can charts be so different? Because one's Forex and one's futures. Pretty advanced green screen. Yep, just scalping. Everyone like the stream. Everyone like the stream. Yes, please. You guys on YouTube, I'd appreciate the hell out of that. This is not financial advice for educational purposes. Oh, I'm from Brisbane. Oh, amazing House of Glass. If you're a trader, you should jump in the Discord. I'm trying to get as many local traders as I can. I'm still on demo and thinking I'm a pro. That's all right. Just go through the stages. Start on dem. We have some good... Bro, green... Your AI green screen is wild. Bro. I will find you. So the issue... So check this out, you guys. If I was going, okay... I want to see a bit of a pullback. Because if I were to take some sort of buy here, I know the next level of resistance is like... Oh, it's fucking 36 pips. From Brizzy2 just joined the Discord last night. Oh, sick milk. Dope. Dope. Oh, I'm going to listen to something. Oh, wow. Sorry, Aaron, I'm not pulling you on... This is important. Listen to this, guys. Aaron's really advanced trader.
Yeah, there is a difference. Usually, like 90% of the time, they're in sync. But recently, they have been very different, like the currency chart and the future chart. Honestly, I just do all my analysis off the currency chart because it grabs highs and lows more than the futures, and I trade a lot of liquidity, so sometimes the liquidity grabs won't happen on the futures, but it will happen on the currency. So if I just watch the futures, I'll miss the liquidity grabs.
Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, okay. That's good to know, but it also is stressing me out a bit more. Maybe I do need to focus a bit more on the currency. All right, whatever. Patience, patience. Patience, my brothers and sisters. If Godzilla walks by the back, I won't be surprised. When is the meetup? I moved from Brisbane to Perth. Oh, I would like to do it relatively soon. I'll keep everyone posted. Oh, you subscribed? Thank you, brother. Thank you. From Melbourne? Sick. Okay. Yeah, okay. Well, here's the thing, you guys. Even when I was trading Apex, I was always basing my trades off Forex. And it's just when I've switched to Top Step, it's just I've noticed that they're quite different, like more different than when I was using Apex. But it's true, like Forex is what I've always used, so I should probably stick with that. I don't know. Sorry for being late here. No, it's unacceptable. Your punishment is 10 push-ups. I'll do it with you. Ooh, who went to the gym today? If you didn't go to the gym, you better be going tonight, man. Because your mind, body, and soul is all connected. Hello from Romania. Took 2. Nice. Awesome. Done for the day. Excellent. That's all. Yes, sir. Went to the gym. Amazing. Him as hell. Did your 5 a.m. Yes, I did my workout at 5 a.m. Excellent. That's what's up. This is very distracting. I don't know what you mean there, person that says the 24-hour chart. This is not financial advice and for educational purposes only. What's your biggest fear as a trader? That I don't stick to my rules. That's all. That for whatever reason I come in with a tilted mindset. But I don't know. I don't see myself ever getting to that point again, which is good. I didn't think I'd ever be able to say that. Revenge trading was always my biggest flaw. It would destroy me in my accounts. I physically couldn't go to sleep with a red day. Like I couldn't do it, you guys. And I would always get back on and try to revenge trade back to green. And we all know what happens when you do that, right? It just went from bad to worse. Or is it worse to bad? Thank fuck I got over that. And I don't think it was like, obviously being aware and trying to prevent yourself with barriers psychologically and things in place in order to do that, to stop doing that. But one of the biggest things was just time and not giving up and trying to stop doing it. Because you can not give up and just show up tomorrow and do it again forever and go on a cycle as most traders do it, just continue to beat their head against the wall. But I actually tried to put effort into not do it. And I just got so exhausted by constantly doing it that I eventually just stopped. Ooh, OBS is disconnected. I wonder which one that is. I wonder which one that is. Are you guys there on YouTube still there? What rules are you following on trades? Well, 1 to 2 trades a day is probably the biggest. Just trading the London session and sticking to my one strategy. Ah, look at this in the YouTube chat, and this is what'll get you. I'm so desperate to recover my losses. That is what will get you, brother. That exact mindset is what will get you. That'll be the that'll get you, my bro. You have to come in with a neutral mindset. Oh, awesome, you guys are still there. Yeah, I don't know what that was then. What do you think about TTW? What the flip is that? Have you ever gone against the rules? 1 billion times. I've blown 1 billion accounts by going against my rules. Brother, the patience you have, I need too. But people say this all the time, and it's just like, I need to... This is the thing. I know visually, like I can picture what I need to see. And until I see that, there's nothing I can do. I just have to sit on my hands. And in the past, there's been things I could do, which is enter a shitty trade. And every time, it's like, this is a hierarchy of existence. There's God, and then there's trading, and then there's all the other shit below that. So anytime you think you can outwit the markets by doing sneaky shit, or I'm going to enter here because this is the bottom. I know this is the bottom. We're going to reject here, and I just found the bottom or the top. Or it pushed down, I'm going to press a buy, and it might go back up and reject. Anytime you try to outwit the market with sneaky shit, you will never win, bro. So I had to just accept that fact. I had to accept that fact. All right, guys, that light's off. Now we're getting serious. Don't want to move your resistance down to the new level. Yeah. Let's have a look. There are too many traders in New Zealand? What do you mean? Yeah, I know. There's always spots. Now we're getting serious. Yeah, we're getting serious now. All right, so let's have a look. John in the YouTube chat just said, do I want to move this to here? I'm going to wait. I'm going to take Aaron's advice. I'm going to base today mainly off, like they're pretty similar today. I'm going to base today mainly off the Forex market. And if this can close red, I'll put my resistance level there and I'll move this away. What are you trading? If you can figure it out in the next 3 seconds, you win a pony. Because I think you'll be able to figure it out based on everything I've observed in the world. I think you're going to be able to. So this candle here closes in a minute. This is the 1 hour closure. So the first 1 hour of the London session. Very strong candle over here. It did kind of reject off this rejection area over here to the left. 30-minute. Nice bit of support. I'm pretty bullish, you guys. I can see to the left-hand side, the next range is up there. So we've got beautiful range to the left-hand side if we can break back above this. I'm going to open up Zoom. It might crash my whole computer. So if it does, that's just how the world works, I guess. But I think it's going to be important in order to show you something. How do you keep your rules? Well, this is the thing. You know how people like ask advice? And trust me, I've been this guy. I've always asked traders advice and stuff as well. It's really annoying. Like, it's really annoying to hear this. But there's nothing that I can say that's going to help you. You're going to have to get to a point personally where you basically just say enough is enough, right? I'm sick of going through the pain. I'm going to actually have to close Zoom. Damn it. I just realized. I'm going to have to close Zoom. Oh my God. Sorry guys, 1 second. End task. End all meetings, yeah. Oh, that wanted to crash my shit then. All right, bros, here we go. We got a nice little closure over here. Love it. So let me do a little quick bit of analysis here. 4 hours, got an hour left. 1 hour, fucking very healthy, strong 1 hour candle. What's still left? Are we at that left level? Is this all-time highs the previous time? Oh no, we're past that still, heaps. All right, sick. 30-minute, create a bit of support. Nice. I'll tell you what I'm looking for in a minute. Nothing can be done just yet in this current state. But here we go. The, you know, it's starting to get night here. This is when shit starts to get real. So lock in, gang, lock in. You ever watch Seven? No. Do you have a specific video on how this trading thing works? No. If you want to learn like the very basics, I would suggest just jumping into Google and type in what is trading, what is Forex, what is this, what is that. Like start from the ground up. I would heavily suggest. But shit's getting real over here. If this candle were to close exactly how it is, the next one wick down and push up, I would take a bizzle about there. Anticipating it to continue. Fill this wick and shit like that. But until then, yay, this isn't annoying. Should I buy XRP? Amazing, you guys over here on YouTube. You guys on TikTok, if this candle does start to present something, I'm gonna have to close TikTok down because for the adult stuff, I can only do that on YouTube. I'll continue it on YouTube. So if you want to jump over to YouTube, Daniel Holmes Trades is the name. Trading is the game. Is that a green screen? Bro! Alternatively, if this were to break out above this range here, I might be interested in as well. Ooh, it's looking nice on futures. Patience, patience. Because I also, and I'm not being a dick when I say this, this is genuinely something that I think, ready? Before I'm getting ready to look into a trade and I'm looking for reasons this could be a bad idea, this and that, I also think, what do most retail traders think is going to happen next, and what would they most likely be looking at doing next? And I know a lot of, just from being in chats and shit, I know a lot of guys are saying, oh, it's gone up so much, it has to come back. And I'm like, okay, that's what most are thinking. Sick. I'm going to be looking for the opposite of that. Sub to YouTube. Thanks for sharing live. Appreciate you guys for jumping over the Yui. Dope. Dope as. And thank you for the follows there on TikTok as well. You guys, appreciate you. Live every day on YouTube. Every day, bro, with the Jake Paul. It is for Troy. Tried to do some Star Wars. Prove that's not a green screen. Exactly, and I proved it. I successfully proved it. So just patiently waiting. What gets more traders more than anything? Impatience. Oh, I've been waiting here for so long. I have to enter a bullshit trade. There's no way I could just sit here and wait for my ideal setup. I need to enter. All right? No, none of that. You will never pick a thing. Okay, bro. And you will constantly do it and lose. So pick your battles, I guess. Oh, I see. I see. I don't know anything about token market, brother, so. I don't know about the token stuff. But yeah, liking what I'm seeing over here. So we've still got 8 minutes for this candle. Like, the candle's still open. A lot can happen in these couple minutes. How good is trading? Oh, I thought you were being serious. I was about to say yes. But I'm assuming you just had a rough trade. What strategy you trade? Just price action. This is not financial advice for education purposes only. That's all. That's the only purposes. But yeah, anyone got any analysis? Drop it in the Discord. There's probably not a whole bunch to decipher just yet. We've just kind of moved up. You know, there could be an argument for, let me look at this real quick. The 1 hour is too bullish, and so was, yeah, no. Yeah, I'm only looking for buys personally. Exactly, Catherine, exactly. When I take 85% profits at 15 pips, my wins doesn't cover my losses. That makes no sense. That means you just lose more than you win, which means you just need to keep fine-tuning. Are you in Brisbane? Yep, in Brizzy. Day trading. No, I don't use ICT. I don't know what that is really, to be honest. One of my mentors also takes profits at 15, 20 pips, 50% he gained consistently a month. Showed me trade history. Yeah. The way that I trade, which is kind of like breakouts and things like this of this nature, I typically take 85% and then move stops to break. A lot of the time, that break-even level does come back and get hit because price tends to come and gravitate back towards that breakout zone. And I don't know what it is, or you can all speculate what it might be, but it kind of typically comes back to obvious zones of entry, and that's where it might like tap in. If not, it doesn't. Whatever. He doesn't know what a fair value gap is or order blocks are. No, he doesn't. That is right. He does not know those things. I knew something was fucking wrong. I just knew it. Do you think gold gonna... Not sure. I agree. In the YouTube chat there, Solomon said RR doesn't matter and win rate doesn't either. Couldn't agree anymore. Stick crib, Daniel, proud of you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Just a one better over here in Brizzy. Nothing too crazy. What am I watching? What am I reading? It's probably the closest question to reality. So we've got 4 minutes over here. I like what I'm seeing. I'll show you what I might be interested in. So I'm familiar with fair value gaps, order blocks? No. No. No, I don't do any of that. Yeah, I like this. We'll see. Still waiting. Yep. No, I'm only looking for buys today. So if this next candle if this can hang out here and the next candle can wick down and push up, I might take a position right there. How many years does it take to know your strategy? It depends what you mean by know. Like you can know your strategy, but there's nuances that do take time. I will agree with that. There's nuances that take time. And I guess that's different for everyone. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok as well. This is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. You keep any record of your trades and analysis later? Yep. I have a Notion journal. I journal all my trades. Hello, Daniel. I have someone who texted me after I followed you on... Yeah, it's not me. You have to... MTZ, you have to look it up, brother. Just start Googling it. Yeah. Anyway, my Notion thing's not loading. Oh, here it comes. Strategies is price action. Oh, I'm gonna close this. My computer's like firing on all cylinders just to stay alive. I might even close the Discord, you guys, because no one's got any analysis anyway. There's not much to analyze. I want to go short. What do you think? Just do whatever your system is telling you to do, my brother. Personally, I'm only looking for longs today for me. That's that. Oh, what I just realized. How do I open up my trade panel thing? Ooh, what's going on? Does anyone know on Top Step how I opened like the trade panel section? Oh, I guess I could just do it like this. No, I couldn't. The trade panel section to the right hand side. Add component. No, nothing's happening. I actually really need to figure that out right now. Where did it go? Surely somebody here uses Top Step. Positions? Bruh. If I can't fucking figure this out, how am I going to trade? You can add a component. Which one is it called? It's not letting me like click on it. Oh, hang on, here we go. No. Oh my god, this is a disaster. Why can't I click on them? Oh my god. Drag and drop. Oh, drag and drop. Is it positions? Ah, you're right. Yep. Drag and drop. Wow, amazing. Thank you. Orders? What is it called? How you can bring up this thing on the left side? Oh my god. Bro, this is so frustrating. I'm a noob. Okay, get rid of this shit. How do I get rid of it? Drag and drop. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. No, this is like a perfect setup. I need to put in a buy stop. Oh, here we go. Buy stop buy. Okay. All right, TikTok, I've got to go. I'm going to finish this on YouTube. If you're interested in continuing to watch, come over to YouTube. It's the same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm live there right now. So I'll see you there right now. Peace out. All right, gang. Now we're more safe. We can just kind of speak freely. Let me just close this shit up. I don't even know if my Instagram one's still running. I'm just going to click end stream for the Instagram one. Ah, the Instagram one did stop. All right, guys, I like that it's created a bottom wick here. This is a nice little trade. This is a nice little trade here. I think if it pushes up, there's a good probability that it can continue to push up. Plus, the great thing about this is if it does have enough strength to push up past this support level up here, and it gets past that support level, there's a higher probability that it's going to continue to go past there, and I could potentially even add to the position. So I appreciate you guys coming over from TikTok. Sick. Nice 30-minute closure for a bit of support there. What does it look like on the Forex chart? Yep, pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with this. So if this can push back up, I'm pretty happy with this. Here from TikTok. Dope. Good to have you guys here from YouTube, from TikTok. Here's the thing. I'll be live on YouTube every day, not TikTok. YouTube, I can say anything, bro. On TikTok, I have to be so fucking chill. Like, it's painful. Had to disconnect the kids' YouTube for this. Fuck. Just to watch me lose. From TikTok, dope. Good to have you here. Have you brought? So I've got an order in here, and I don't suggest anyone do this. It's just what I'm doing. I don't suggest anyone do this shit. But I have an order here. So if it pushes up past this level, I'll be tagged into an order. I'll be tagged into a buy position. TikTok's here. Sick. Good to have you guys here from TikTok. Again, drop a sub here because I'll be live on YouTube every day. Not TikTok though. Just YouTube. So it's good to have you guys here. What are you trading? This is gold, my dude. Goldilocks. Beautiful. If this can reject, this is a great, I think this is a good idea. If this can reject, man, I'm very happy with this. But it can continue, it can very easily continue to go down. I have no, like, I'm not like stuck to like, oh, this has to come back up. If it doesn't, it's fine. But if it does, I like what I'm seeing. Does this make sense in Forex? Yep. 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 Definitely. Definitely. Wow, what a miracle. Survived the fucking TikTok stream without getting shut down. Dan, I have a feeling that you need to put a big banner that says that you only trade gold. Yeah. Oh, I guess on this account it doesn't show it anymore. If I knew how to fucking bring up that thing on the side, it shows it. Do you teach? We have a Discord, and the Discord's pinned in the chat here. Oh, is it pinned? Maybe it's not pinned. Oh, it is now. I just pinned it then. So if you want to join the Discord, it's pinned in the chat there. Here from TikTok. Good. Awesome to have you guys here from TikTok. Those TikTok bans are annoying, bro. The worst of all time. So that's why I have to be hella... Like, I can't show the money and anything like that you can see on here on TikTok. Wear a headband saying this is gold. Real quickly, can any of you guys help me here? Look, while I've got a minute to wait. How the fuck do I drag in that thing that comes up on the side? What is DOM? Is it that? No. It's not orders. I don't know if it's any of these. I don't know if it's any of these. How do I get rid of this? Yeah, I don't know. More than 300 people watching. Yeah, amazing. Appreciate you guys being here Appreciate you guys being here. How long have you been trading? Come up to 3 years. Bro, you're so old school, you don't understand a DOM. No, I don't. What is it? I don't know anything. Can do from DOM? Like that? Oh, the DOM is the thing. I guess this is it, but why is it not coming up on the actual fucking, on the side? Like it's meant to be printed onto the side. How do I bring it up onto the side? There? Oi. This is exactly what I want, but it's usually like stuck to the side. Oh, what's this? Yes. Oh my God. Did I actually crack the code? Now get me out of this shit. How do I go back? Oh my God. Yay, it didn't work. Whatever. Fuck it. All right. Doesn't matter. Daniel, you come live regularly? Every day on YouTube. Every day on tube. All right. Hit reset layout in the top right corner. Oh, wow. Oh, fuck. How do I get rid of all this shit? Oh, no. Bro! I'm retarded. Fuck it. There, I said it. Oh, here we go. X. X. Oh, I just got triggered in. Okay, move this away. Where the fuck is my take profit? Oh, up there. All right, dope. Stop loss is like kind of down below this wick. Let me move this shit in. Take profit is somewhere up here. And that's what's up. All right, sick. Sorted it out at the last minute, even though I don't know if... Oh, it does matter, actually, because if I want to take some size off. So what did I enter? 15 there. If it starts to look ugly, I'll take off like 8. I'll sell about 8 if it starts to look ugly. But until then, it's all good. All right, what up, my dudes? More slow than my father. I know, I just felt like a freaking old... Yeah, that's life, right? So what I'll be looking at, if it starts to look ugly, I'll look off to take 50%. If it starts to look good, I'll be looking to take off 85% and then move stops to break even. That's what I'm looking at. But right now, see how I didn't get ready for taking off 85%? I got ready to take off 50% because I'm always thinking, how can I preserve instead of how much can I get? That's all. That's all. What does Forex look like? Ooh, Forex is still looking a bit how you going, but oh well, what are you gonna do? I'm trading futures, so you have to pick a side eventually, I guess. So yeah, relatively aggressive with this account. Not looking to be stuck in it for 10 years type shit. I'll be looking to take off some size in a minute. If we can break past this level, it would be fucking phenomenal. If we can break past this level, it'd be phenomenal. I'd like to switch this to pips. I mean ticks instead of money. Does anyone know how to do that? There's like something really easy to do it. There's some real easy thing you can do. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, this is MGC. Yep. Here from TikTok. Oh, good to have you here. While this does its thing, does anyone know how to switch it from that it shows you cash instead of charts and data? Change charts and data. Oh, here we go. Yep. Ticks. Nice. Awesome. Thank you. All right, 6 ticks. So let's see. Why doesn't Forex follow? It does, but it's just a bit off, right? It is a bit off. I know it's a bit annoying, but what are you going to do? I think I'd like to take some size off at around 15 ticks. All right. But yeah, appreciate you guys being here. If you're not subbed, drop a sub. You guys will be live every day on YouTube. Every day on the tube, my brothers and sisters. I'm not sure, Ariel. I don't know if someone else might have in the chat. How many contracts? I put in 15 micros or whatever. $15 microscopics. Nice little push there. Oh, looks nice on Forex, right? Oh, 17 ticks. So I just took off 85% there, you guys. I'm going to bring stops to break even and let the rest run if it wants to run. All right, beautiful. My hands are clean. My hands are clean, you guys. That was like fucking 17 ticks right there. Was able to move stops to break even now. Now it's a risk-free trade. I'm in profits and let the rest do whatever it does. And that's what's up, my brothers. That's how we do it. I'm the GOAT. Nah, I'm only joking. Take one trade. Take one trade. I'm him, bro. I just won a trade. Pretty textbook stuff here. And this is what I was saying. I'm just waiting for a bit of support to be formed. Signs of bullish for the day. Had a rejection. Just this was really just textbook right here, to be honest. Really textbook. If I could say that. Did anyone else take that? Did anyone else take that? You were a goat at trading, but not configuring top step. Did anyone get that? Was anyone entering as well? Oh, look at you guys. Okay, you guys did. Wow. Well, I guess there's like nearly 300 people here. Only 5 did, which is fine. I always say don't do what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm kind of just using Forex and futures alongside each other, right? I just say Zoom. Are you gonna post it to YouTube? No. I never post the Zooms because I did. Okay, nice. Oh, look at this nice closure. Fuck, that's pretty, man. That's really pretty. I might be able to re-enter. Let's see what the 30 looks like. I never post the Zoom sessions because then no one will show up. It's meant to be an interactive experience where we all kind of get it. You know what I mean? No one will show up because they know it's just going to get posted. The 4-hour close in 20 minutes. I think my break even is about to get hit. So I took partials at a good point there. Still in. Nice, nice. And when you take these types of trades, like I took it knowing that there's a resistance level here. So I took my partials around that point, knowing that it could have issues getting through there. Plus it hit and surpassed my average take profit pip count, which is typically, you know, 15, 20 pips. Oh, man. But yeah, nice little trade there. So nearly up 1% on this account. Need to get to 3%, obviously. I thought I went a bit heavier than what I did, but it's all right. I thought I went a bit heavier. No worries, bro. Yeah, next Sunday. What account are you on, brother? 100. Oh, look at that. So that break-even point just got hit there. Nice. Was able to get 17 pips. 85% at 17 pips. Move stops to break even. Break even just got hit there. Let's have a look. What does Forex show? Man, I might still be interested in a re-enter. If it breaks past here, I might re-enter. Smaller lot size. What happens in gold futures happens in gold. Yeah, they're a bit off. So it's kind of, it is confusing. It's kind of hard to deal with sometimes. Oh, look at that slippage. Sheesh. So I'll be managing the shit out of this because I don't want to give back too much profits. If it breaks its own bottom wick, I'll take off 50%. I think that's gonna be a smart idea. What up, George? See if it's got enough to kind of push past this area here. Still looks like there's like a good amount of bullish kind of momentum in the market. High time frames, everything's indicating such. We'll just have to wait. Have to wait. But I appreciate being here with you guys. The daily stream, my brothers and sisters, the daily stream. I'm in. Nice. Yeah, I just thought this is in accordance to my plan, my strategy, my playbook. Not a bad opportunity to re-enter. And that's all. I'll be managing it a bit more aggressive because I just don't want to give back too much profits. That's all. But other than that, I think it's not a bad idea. And that's the thing, like win, lose or draw, you kind of just got, if you see what you want to see, it's just like you just got to execute on it. There's no point of being hesitant just because you're scared to lose. Like losing is just a part of it. So if I'm too scared to execute on something just because of fear itself, then what are you even doing? Good to have you here, Lazy. Good to have you here. When does the futures 4-hour close? Oh, it's still got a while. Forex has still got 25 minutes. Can you explain the logic behind the previous trade setup? Yeah, I'll explain it after this. When I exit this trade, I'll explain it because I know I didn't really explain it. I just kind of jumped in. I want to manage this pretty aggressively just because, like I said, I don't want to have to give back too much profits. If we can get to 10 ticks, I'll take 85%. And I took one around 91 off to work in a minute. Nice. Oh, look at this, you guys. 15 ticks. So I'm going to close 85% there. Move stops to break even. And just let the rest run for a little while. I'll let it run up to here. Beautiful. Look at that, you guys. 2 beautiful trades taken just there. Textbook stuff. All right, I'm out. I'm out. Call it a day, my brothers. Call it a day. I don't need to hold. I don't need to hold. That's the only reason why. I have no need to hold. And waiting for a closure on the breakout. Yeah, I just got 2. This is a pretty textbook setup for me here. I was able to get 2 trades just within here. yeah, this was pretty nice. This was pretty nice, you guys. And you guys that are willing to actually learn, just hang out here for a sec. Let me show you something, why this was so nice. Oh, I fucking can't show it on Zoom. Look how many people pip and dipped. As soon as the trade is over, the numbers go down. People don't want to learn, bro. Crazy. Crazy. But in short, like if you can identify that we're extremely bullish for the day, which we know we are, just needed a bit of red to be printed. You can see we came down, we created 2 red candles, found this level of support here, flipped green, like it didn't want to go there at all. And the fact that it tested it one more time just to be like, hey bro, we really don't want to go down with this wick. This is like a perfect pullback on an uptrend. This is exactly what I look for a pullback on an uptrend. So I entered the first one here, took profits there. Once this closed bullish and wicked down here, look how this wicked down, you guys, and then started to push. I said, look, man, it really doesn't want to go down. It's ready to give it another stab and continue with the trend. So I re-entered again. Huge, beautiful couple trades there you guys taken. So let's have a look over here. Yeah, I've only been catching dubs over here on this account so far. The winning streak continues. Yeah, very textbook that one is for like the idea is it's a continuation on an uptrend. So it's a pullback, identify that we're pulling back on an uptrend. I want to learn, please explain. Awesome, awesome. If any of you guys caught that, you got to drop a sub for the channel, my brothers. And if you want to learn more, like just join the Discord. It's free. Got some good traders in there, and we'll try and do our best, right? How did you know if the market is bullish? Just look at the other time frames. So look at the 4 hours. Look at that 4-hour candle. What is that? Bullish. People overthink it. Is it going up or down? It's going up. That's all. That's all I need to look at the 1 hour. Bullish. 30 minute, like, you know what I mean? Just go with the flow. That's all. Subs, bro. Appreciate you, Dan. Thank you, brother. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming to the stream. We'll be back tomorrow and just keep getting at it, right? And here's the thing. Every day, it doesn't stop. Win, lose, or draw. Just show up the next day, because it's all about just chasing the dream. Well, it is for me. That's all it is for me. So I know in order to do that, I need to show up every day, and that's it, my friends. So glad to be here with you guys, other traders, and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Fair enough. That's good, John. That's good, John. I like that. Till this day. All right, you guys. Appreciate you. What was your profit? You can see it up here. You can see it up here, 600. 600 for the day. So here's the thing, you guys. Look at this, you guys. What I'm about to do. Lockout. I don't know if all day is gonna do me in the head. What is this? Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm not going to lock myself out, but I'm just going to close the computer. If I could trust that it was not going to lock me out for 24 hours, I would. But anyway, definitely got to subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. And look forward to seeing you tomorrow.